I am Deanna Kalena with Stonehouse Realty, and I'm honored to show you this beautiful family home in desirable Erickson. Situated on a gorgeous 2.5-acre lot, has a garage, workshop, RV parking, and a legal second dwelling, perfect for a mortgage helper or an in-law suite. The 4-bedroom main house features an updated kitchen, eating area that flows into a covered patio for morning coffee and watching sunsets over the mountains, spacious and bright living room for those family gatherings, and a rec room with a gas fireplace. And for the hobbyist in the family, a single-car garage with lots of space in the back for a workbench, own electrical panel, and a 220-volt outlet. A large workshop with its own entry and roughed-in plumbing for a potential bathroom, ideal for home-based business, perhaps a guest room or additional mortgage helper. And connecting the two is a breezeway for additional storage. The second dwelling is a 4-bedroom and den modular home, has a lovely front porch, new washer dryer, and it's set back from the property. For additional privacy, perfect for family visits or a rental income. Unbeatable location, very short to drive to downtown Creston for all your shopping needs, yet quiet and walkable to a cozy coffee shop and stumbling distance from wineries. For more information on this home or other homes in Creston, feel free to reach out at 604-789-8202.